In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set prepayment on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to update your policies, so guests pay part or all of their stay in advance, either right after booking or once the free cancellation period ends. First, a quick foundation. On Booking.com, prepayment is the amount you collect before arrival. It usually ties directly to your cancellation policy. For example, if your policy says a 20% fee applies when a guest cancels late, that 20% is typically what gets charged in advance. Setting prepayment correctly helps reduce no-shows, improves cash flow, and makes your payment expectations clear to guests. Start by opening the Booking.com extranet at admin.booking.com and signing in with your partner account. Use a secure, up-to-date browser, and if you manage multiple properties, confirm you're in the correct property view before making changes. Once you're in, go to the Property tab and choose Policies. Look for the section titled Cancellation and Prepayment Policies. This is where Booking.com displays what the guest will see during checkout, so it's important that your prepayment setup matches your actual cancellation terms. Remember, the amount collected in advance typically mirrors the penalty defined in your cancellation policy, so make sure those two are aligned. Next, select Change Policy, or click Edit next to the relevant payment section. You'll be offered two timing options for prepayment. The first is after the reservation is made. Choose this if you want to charge or guarantee funds right away, which is great for non-refundable or partially refundable offers. The second option is after the free cancellation period ends. Pick this if you want to wait until the booking is no longer free to cancel, and then collect the payment when the penalty kicks in. If you use payments by Booking.com or virtual credit cards, keep in mind that the timing of when funds become available may follow Booking.com's payout schedule. Here's a helpful note. If you see that the prepayment field isn't explicitly set, the default behavior is after the reservation is made. Always review the on-screen summary to confirm it reflects your intent and clearly communicates to guests what will be charged and when. Finally, click Save. Your changes apply to new reservations going forward and won't retroactively alter existing bookings. It's a good idea to preview your listing to check that the policy language looks clear. Also, ensure your team and payment tools are prepared to process charges or pre-authorizations at the timing you selected. And be mindful of time zones that might affect when the free cancellation window ends.